good afternoon. And since we are meeting very first time, so I don't know about you. Would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, my name is Zakir Hussain, and basically I am from West Bengal, and currently I am connected with you from Siliguri because it is my workplace. Currently, my hobbies is upgrade my communication skill, and especially in English. And recently I watched your video, so ma'am, I love the conversation, and we have
Thank you so much.
trying to connect it for 2 days, but I couldn't, a duty lack of time, ma'am. You know that police schedule is very hectic. That's why I am not able to connect it. And finally, we are connected, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, I respect you and I respect your duty because you are an occupied person and you have a lots of responsibilities for our India, not only for your family. So
Yes.
you have a lots of things to do. You have a lots of responsibilities, which is not a piece of cake. And you are doing both things. And as well as I am very curious to know lots of things from you. But before moving ahead, I would love to introduce myself
Yes, ma'am.
because since we are meeting very first time, so maybe you don't know about myself. So hello everyone and hello Zakir ji. My name is Yamini and I come from Uttarakhand. My district name is Almora and my Uttarakhand is famous for Devbhoomi and my district Almora is famous for Bal Mithai.
Yes.
So I have done my graduation. Right now I am pursuing my Masters of Arts in Political Science. And if you will ask about my hobbies, so I love to do dance, singing, drawing.
Yes.
I'm very creative since my childhood, but unfortunately, I don't have leisure time to do these type of activities because I am married. I have my one kid. Despite of that, I am doing lots of things together, and I want to boost my communication skills because I am passionate for teaching. And I want to go in teaching line, so you know English is most
Yes.
important for teaching
Yes.
line, and that is the reason I'm here and I'm speaking with lots of peoples and I want to also overcome my fear. That is the reason I am here in social media and I'm talking to you all people. So yeah, it's all about me, Zakir ji, and I would love to know about something from you.
Yes.
And how you are managing like your duty, your family responsibilities. Maybe you are not married now.
Yes, ma'am, I am married. I have a daughter. She is 3 years old now.
My God, you are also married.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how are you managing your duty with your family responsibilities?
Ma'am, you know that police time schedule is very hectic. We are ensure public safety and maintaining law and order. After that, ma'am, I have no specific time to connect it with you. So I have been trying for 2 days connecting with you, but I couldn't because my schedule is very hectic. Even sometime, and I always try to connect it with my family member over the phone call when I get free time. But sometimes my family member called me, you are don't call us, and always busy. But they don't know, ma'am. Police schedule is very hectic. We are always involved with many tasks because, ma'am, we are ensured the one of the part of the society, and we are involved with lot of people. They are lot of thinking and they are different minded, and we just handle them and maintain the situation of the society. But sometimes we are disappointed. After that, when my duty is finished, I feel disappointed. Sometimes I frustrated and tired. But when I get free time, I try to connect it with my family member. And even though and last 1 year I am passionate about English, and when I get free time I always try to listen English related video. Sometimes I connect it with the YouTuber over the video call. And this year my family member called me, you are so busy, you have no time for me, but somehow, ma'am, I manage it.
Okay. I totally got your point. You have a lots of things and you are not able to connect with your family. Even with your own daughter maybe. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are doing a lots of things and totally because you are working as a you have a lots of responsibilities
Yes,
for
ma'am.
your India.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So
Yes.
I am very curious to know about why did you choose police area?
Can you repeat again?
Why did you choose, of course, why did you choose police area?
Ma'am, I have a passion about police. So when I was younger, I think when I was class 5 or 6, and that time election is ongoing, and lot of forces came in our village for election purpose at that time. So when I see the uniform the first time, it is inspire me to become a police person. So that time I commitment with myself at today my hobbies is police, and one day I will be police, and suddenly I got the job in 2017, and now I am become a police person. Actually, ma'am, the
And you
dream
are,
came from that time.
and I can see your this happiness today. You have achieved your this success, and you have a very pure inspiration, and you are giving in from this platform,
Yes.
right? How police can manage their own hobbies with his responsibilities. Right now, maybe you are in your job,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
And you are giving your valuable time me and for all viewers, so you are a good inspiration, and thank you so much for joining me, Jakir ji. And apart from your job, like we all human beings,
Yes.
we have our all happiness, we want to live for ourselves also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Apart from English hobby, what makes you happy for your life?
Ma'am, I am hobbies is a different type of like traveling, and when I was at home, that time my hobbies were playing cricket. It was my favorite game, and then traveling, especially the bike riding in the mountain and hilly area. I love the situation in the hilly area. The atmosphere are very cold. There are no pollution, and you can ride your bike very easily, and it is feel refreshment. But when I join police, ma'am, I get a chance to travel in the hilly area. Especially I want to spend my quality time with my colleague. After that, when I married, so I have no time. So when I free, I manage my family person and solve the family person solve, and wife call me, I have a problem, you can solve this. And sometimes daughters call me, Papa, today we will go to restaurant, and my daughter, she likes momo, he is fond of momo. So when I go home, I always try to spend my quality time with my daughter, and we are visit in any restaurant near, and she loves to eat momos.
Okay, he loves to eat momos. Maybe you too eat loves to eat momos, because momos is famous in Sikkim, and you can say China. And if you talk about in our India, West
Yes.
Bengal, they eat a lot. But right now I am in Sikkim, so their momos are very famous. Everyone wants to eat momo.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you will come here, because you are in Siliguri, so
Yes, ma'am.
Sikkim is very near from Siliguri, Jakir ji.
Yes.
And sometimes I also feel network issues, so no worries. But like I was thinking, you have a good command in English. You are an eloquent speaker. So how you have achieved this fluency? What is the secret behind it?
Ma'am, there is no secret behind, especially as a police person, and you know that there is no specific time schedule. So when I get free time, I just try to listen English related video, especially conversation video, and sometimes I connected with people over the video call. So ma'am, we are meaning what we know the word meaning, but we can't manifest our thought. So one incident happened with me in 2023. Ma'am, India host G20. There was a meeting about tourism department in Siliguri. As a police person, I am security there, and lot of delegates come from the various country.
Yeah, now it's clear. Please repeat it again. What you said.
Ma'am, so there was a meeting about tourism department in Siliguri. So as a police person, I was security there, and most of the delegates, they speak in the English language. At that time, I couldn't speak in English. So it was embarrassing moment for me. And two people, I think they from European country, they asked me something in English. At that time, I have no fluency. I just after that I commitment myself. So ma'am, I am a police person. If they need anything, at first they asked me. If I can't speak English, so it was embarrassing moment for me. So from then, and I try to practicing my speaking English. It not learning. I learn English in my academic session. Currently, I am practicing. So, ma'am, first 6 months I read grammar, but ma'am, when it's come to speaking, I couldn't speak and I can't manifest my thought. Then I start listen English related video. Ma'am, when I listen English related video, it is can create an environment for me. Sometimes I know the meaning, but I can't make a proper sentence. And how can I express my thought? So when I listen, then I can get the idea. And when I try to connect it with the people, especially the YouTuber about the video call, at first we are shivering and we have a inertia. At first I try to remove my phobia because I have a phobia in my inner heart. When I remove my phobia from my inner heart, then it will easy for me and I can get the confidence. Yeah, I have a confidence and I can speak English. So speaking helps me a lot because ma'am we have a phobia and even we have a fear and we just remove our inertia from our inner heart. When I remove my inertia and eye contact and body language is very important for me and I realize it. So when I connected with YouTuber and I can get the idea. At the first time when I connected, I feel shivering, so I can't speak and my mind goes blank and I think that what I want to say. Even at the initial stage, it was very difficult for me to asking question someone because ma'am I can't make a proper sentence to ask someone. At the time, it was embarrassing moment for me. So I always try to connect it with people and sometimes I use Fluency and CB application. But ma'am, there was a problem. Most of the people they are using waste their time. They use only 2 minutes, 3 minutes. After that, they disconnect the call. But we
They
can't.
disconnected. Yeah, of course. I know.
But we can't continue our conversation. Even they are most of the person they are beginner and we have no question. And at the initial stage, it was very difficult to asking question someone. That's why I feel lot of problem. Even I am stumble. But currently I can express my thought. But ma'am, asking question is a difficult task me. But somehow I manage it.
So Jakir ji, as a police officer, you should speak in English because you don't know where your sir will be transfer you any other state, right? If you will be transfer any other like south part of India, so their people don't know Hindi, their people don't know Bengali, they know English,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
So if you will shift it in the other like Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, so their people also speak means mostly people speak in English. So English is a world language and everyone needs to learn this language. But I am really happy and I don't think now you are fumbling, now you are shivering, you are speaking in the very good way. And you told me about you are doing voice calling and you are also doing video calling.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, it's a very great idea. You are doing both things simultaneously. But apart from that, are you doing something else?
Sometimes I try to reading newspaper because ma'am newspaper helps a lot because they are always use the proper sentence and even they are using a passive word and we can't understand very easily. But when I read, I can get the idea and how to make a proper sentence. Even the in one line they are brief everything. If any incident happen, even now is anything happened in Sikkim, especially the cloud burst situation, even the earthquake. In the one line, they describe in the passive word and which is most suitable and effective for us. So when I read something, it is not a consistency. Sometimes when I feel happy, when I relax, then I read something reading, especially the newspaper. Other than ma'am, speaking and listening, it is very helpful for me. Even ma'am, sometimes I try to writing because ma'am, writing help because ma'am, when I write, we can correction our mistake, especially that tense confusion and grammar confusion, how to make a sentence. Even though ma'am, we can speak, but after that, when I watch my video, I realize that I make a mistake, especially the number related, person related, even the tense related. But somehow our speaking is good, meaning is good, but correction error is regarding grammar. But I try to improve my upgrade my grammar confusion. But ma'am, my schedule is very hectic. That's why I can't get the proper.
Yeah, your schedule is very busy, but despite of that, you are learning this language. But this language is just a language. It's not a huge thing which you can't do.
Yes, ma'am.
You told me like you are reading books. Yeah, books is very important for your good sentence structure because sometimes what happen, we forget where we need to use at on these type of people, like. But when we speak in English, that is the reason now I am able to speak this vocab, because our mouth is not habitual. And you told me you are using Ace Fluency applications, and there are lots of co-learners. They can disconnect your call within 2-3 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The same thing happened with me, and I can resonate this condition with me, and it's happened. But I am little bit lucky and fortunate. Rarely I get this type of people. Maybe as a woman they respect me, so I can speak half an hour, and I try to say no. Actually now I haven't too much time, but nowadays I am not speaking much in Ace Fluency by talk, because nowadays I am thinking I have to overcome from my fear. My was face to face. Nowadays I am feeling well. Okay, but I need more improvement. Example, like despite of a working man, how you can manage your time for your hobbies, right? And he is a very good inspiration for us. And apart from that, you are not a bachelor person, you are a married person.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have your daughter, and she's only 3 years old, and she need your help, she need your company. Right now your shoulder is full, and you are for duty. And thank you so much for as a people, like as a nation people. And apart from that, I would love to ask you another question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Like this question is very easy, but I want to ask you, what do you prefer for your life? Luck is important or motivation? Sorry, hard work is important.
Ma'am, hard work is important. If you hard worker
Why?
person, you can gain everything. Especially, ma'am. So if I talk about my English journey, so at the initial stage, so I felt some difficulties, and those difficulties stumble me. So you can't do it. So if you resonate yourself, then you can move forward. Especially, ma'am, you are talking about our mouth is not habitual to speak English. So when I start, my vocal is not English related. My vocal is always the sound like my Bengali, and it is the influence of mother tongue. But I work hard, especially sometimes I shadowing practice to change my vocal like a native English. Not my vocal is native English speaker, but currently my sound is English. But when I start, then my sound was influence of mother tongue. It is like a Bengali. If anyone heard my sound, they can understand this is the Bengali person. But currently I am fully focused on the shadowing. After that I change my vocal, and I work hard, especially hard work and your clear mindset. Every person, if you have clear mindset, your clear mindset help you to reach your goal. And hard work is very important. And I, ma'am, last 1 year I have been practicing, and especially, ma'am, I am hard worker person, but I get not proper time. So I want to hard work sometime, and then after that, when I finish my duty, I feel frustrated. Sometimes I tired, but I can't concentrate my mind to my work. But I motivate myself, and sometime, ma'am, when I start, so first 6 months I start, but I couldn't speak and I can't manifest my thought, and I stop it. So I think that I can't do it, and I have no capability, and it is stumble me. And then I motivate myself. So Zakir, you have capability, you can do this. If you work hard, you can gain everything. So somehow
Yeah, if you do work hard, then you can get it everything. And like we have a very few time to speak, Zakir ji. But before moving ahead, I want to ask you, like, if you have any question, then you can ask me. But before your questions, I want to say you, like, you told me you are agree with hard work, but sometimes luck is also important.
Yes.
I am a lucky person. Today you are here, you are talking with me, you are giving me your valuable time. Okay?
Yes.
Time we can't buy. Right? I am lucky. I have my lucky husband. He is supporting me. I have my lucky family. I am lucky. I have my one son. Right?
Yes.
So I have my family. They are very. No, sometimes I think like luck is also important.
yes, ma'am. Sometimes
Somewhere
luck
hard
is
work
very
is important, but sometimes luck is.
But at first you have to hard work. After then your luck favor with your hard work. If you don't hard work, your luck is not favor for you. And I realize it because, ma'am, I think that if I think I am lucky person, I will speak English. It is not happen with you, and you cannot gain it if you are not hard worker person. But you have to be concentrated on your focus regarding English. So it is your ambition, especially I can say it is my ambition. So anyhow, I have to improve my pronunciation, even my communication skill, and it is upgrade myself. And speaking English, it is also boost our confidence. When you in the public place you are speaking English, it is motivate, it is boost your confidence. And I think you can solve your problem very easily when you speak English. And most of the people nowadays, people are thinking if you, some people they are speaking English and they feel that no one speak here in English, so I am very valuable. Sometimes in, especially in India, people are think that who are speaking English, he is a very educated person and he has lot of qualities. I have gathered some question, but currently I forget, ma'am. It is very difficult for me to asking question someone, ma'am. Next time when we connected, I will write those question. I will ask you.
Conspicuous talking. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Tata.
Recording stopped.